Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched Mamaearth Vitamin C 100% Natural Lip Care Kit, which contains a lip scrub and a lip mask. So that is how the product looks from the inside. That's the lip scrub and that's the lip mask. And it also comes with this tiny spatula for easy and smooth application of the product. So I think this was a perfect time for Mamaearth to launch a lip care kit like this, because it's the winter time and no matter how good your lips are, no matter how much care you take of your lips still become dry, flaky and chapped during the winters, and they do require a little extra care because your lips don't really contain oil or sweat glands, so they are more prone to damage, they are more prone to being flaky and chapped during the season of the year. You need a special lip care routine to take care of your lips, especially if it's the winter time or in general throughout the year if you wear a lot of lipstick. So this is not a first impressions of this product. I've already used it a couple of times and I absolutely love it, and I'm going to be doing a full-fledged review of this. So firstly, I'm going to be using the lip scrub on my lips and I'm going to be exfoliating my lips. Now if you have dry lips or flaky lips, or if there's a lot of unevenness on your lips, if your lips don't have smooth texture, then they do require some exfoliation, and this lip scrub is the best way to exfoliate your lips because the texture of this, the consistency of this is just perfect. It's made up of walnut shell, but the lip scrub is so smooth, it's so soft. Like the scrubbing particles are not at all harsh on the skin. They feel very smooth and soft. They feel very gentle, and that's why they are very safe for the lips. And along with that, this also contains lemon extract, which helps to reduce your lip pigmentation. So if you have dark lips, it helps to reduce the darkness on your lips and it helps to make your lips look more pink. So you want to keep scrubbing your lips for a good 30 to 60 seconds until you feel like the dead skin is off, and then you can just take a clean tissue or a clean towel and wipe your face. So this is how my lips look like after scrubbing, and as you can see, the texture of my lips has become so smooth. Like there is absolutely no flakiness, no dryness, no chapped lips at all. The texture has become really smooth and really soft, and my lips do feel like slightly dry because of all of the exfoliation. So now we're going to go into applying the lip mask. Now this lip mask is supposed to be applied overnight, but sometimes I also like apply it during the daytime whenever I scrub my lips during the daytime as well. But ideally, if you leave it overnight, it's going to make your lips very hydrated. So that is how the lip mask looks like. And you can go in with a spatula, but I like to use my fingers in order to warm up the product first and then apply it on my lips. The lip mask contains shea butter, which helps to soothe your dry and chapped lips and also helps to protect them from the sun. And it also contains turmeric oil, which helps to moisturize your lips. And that is how my lips look like after applying the lip mask. I feel like they look so plump, so juicy and so pout. This lip mask has some sort of a berry flavor, which makes it even more desirable to be applied on the lips. It's got a slight tint, a slight pinkish, berryish tint, which would be suitable for all skin tones as well. And it's also got a very fruity smell, so it feels really pleasant when you apply it on your lips. When you warm up the lip mask using your fingers, it's even easier to apply it because it sort of melts the temperature of your fingers sort of melts the lip mask, and it's very easy to apply it, and that way it glides smoothly and more evenly all over your lips. And no matter when I apply the lip mask, whether during the daytime or the night time, my lips remain hydrated until I remove the lip mask, until I wash my face or eat something. Even if I apply the lip mask overnight, my lips still remain hydrated. They feel supple, soft and moisturized when I get up in the morning. So the lip mask provides very long lasting hydration to the lips, and it actually helps to heal your dry lips, heal your chapped lips and makes them more plump and more juicy. So if you want your lips to look like this, if you want those plump juicy lips, if you want that beautiful pout, if you want a smooth surface on your lips, then I highly recommend you try out this Mamaearth Vitamin C 100% natural lip care kit. It's 100% natural. It contains absolutely no toxins, absolutely no harmful chemicals, but all natural ingredients only. And this is India's first Made Safe certified lip care kit, and it's dermat tested. It's suitable for all skin types, for all skin tones as well, and it's cruelty free as well. I absolutely enjoy using this to take care of my lips. I feel like it's an amazing product to invest in, especially during these winters when your lips become all dry, flaky and chapped. This is the best way to take care of your lips, to perform a lip care regime and just make your lips look all plump and nice. So I highly recommend you guys check this out, try it for yourself and see how amazing this product is. It's available on a lot of e-commerce websites like Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, or you can purchase it from Mamaearth's website or their app, where if you use my coupon code, that is RIA2022, then you'll get a 20% off. Also, if you shop from Mamaearth's website, then they'll link your order to a treat that they planned. Or if you shop from their app, then you'll be getting early access to discounts and sales, which means that you'll be saving on more money. So you can purchase this product from anywhere, like it's available everywhere. But please do try this out, do invest in this lip care kit. It's amazing and it's all natural, which is the best part. So yeah, that was my review on Mamaearth Vitamin C 100% natural lip care kit. I hope this review was helpful for you all. If it was, then please hit the like button. Also, let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like me to make, what other products would you like me to review. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Also, do follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot of reels, a lot of makeup videos. The link to my Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.